Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo me quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo me quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi, buscaba una así. Desde que te vi, buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí. Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí. Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo me quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo me quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi, buscaba una así. Desde que te vi, buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí.
Hi you guys, what's up? We are in Mexico. We are in, technically it's Nayarit, I think is what it is. I've been here for the last 2 days. I've been working, so I shot yesterday and Sunday was our travel day. So we've kind of just been like bonding with the team and shooting all day. We like wrapped at 5:30 yesterday, then all went to dinner. Me and my friend took some content. But I just sat down to have some lunch. I have coconut shrimp left over from dinner yesterday. We had the most delicious dinner. Ow, my hair is stuck in between these chairs. This is a little bit of like fajita rice and veg and coconut shrimp, and I'm using like whatever this random sauce is. We're gonna see if this is even any good. I kind of just wanted to update you guys on what life is looking like right now this last week. I have had kind of a crazy week, and I mean everyone's kind of had a crazy week, I feel. So my week started this Monday. I went to New York City for a test shoot, and I shot with a new photographer I've never shot with. I'm in the process of updating my modeling book, my portfolio for new clients, and just kind of building my book to be more New York style versus just LA, because I think I have a lot of kind of more LA vibe images. And you know, you're growing, you're maturing, you're changing and evolving, and I just want my book to reflect that. So I shot with a photographer. It was so cold. Like, it started snowing like buckets on us. I looked like I had dandruff and just like a fuzz all over me. It was crazy, but I think the shoot is gonna come out really cool actually, and the photographer assured me that the pictures are still gonna be awesome. So I'm
but this long dick nigga ain't for the long talking, not beast.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. We're currently at the train station in Connecticut, waiting for the train to New York. I'm doing my first modeling test shoot of the year. I haven't tested, honestly, in New York in so long. I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited. We have a photographer, a stylist, and a makeup artist today. So it should be like a 3-hour shoot, and then grab a little snack and head back home. But we woke up so early this morning. I literally got up at like 5 a.m. and got on the road by like 6. So we're here, we're waiting for the train. Should be a good day. Then I flew to LA on Wednesday. I had two days of shooting, Thursday and Friday. And I flew into LA. I got in at midnight, right when the fires were all happening. The Sunset, like Hollywood fire had just started happening right when I was flying in. And as someone who lived in LA for 5 years, like, it's not only just scary, but it's also just so heartbreaking, and my heart goes out to everyone that's been affected. I'm gonna put resources down below where you can donate or volunteer. But I know people personally who have lost everything, and it's just absolutely horrible, and I'm so grateful and blessed that everyone is safe and I'm safe and everything's okay, and I'm able to walk away from that situation. And I feel almost guilty, like even being able to like enjoy life and walk away and whatever, fly away from something so devastating that other people, like, this is their life and it's horrible. And a few years ago, like, it could have been mine as well. But yeah, I'm just absolutely praying for them, still posting resources, all of that. But yeah, I shot for 2 days. I was staying like far away, enough away from the fires where we weren't directly affected. Air quality was still crap, but it was a lot better than, I was staying like right next to the airport basically. Hey guys, good morning. It is quite a few days later. I am in Los Angeles, California. Amidst the fires, amidst it all, I'm here. I had 2 really important jobs here, and I had to fly in yesterday during the fires, which, let me just preface this and say, like, me flying in for work and being removed from the situation and being able to leave afterwards is so different than people who are like actually genuinely being affected, people whose homes are destroyed and have to evacuate. So I'm not trying to be out of touch here. But my experience is that it was really effing scary. And yeah, it just makes me really grateful. I don't know, not to say that I don't live here, whatever, like I loved California so much and I still do, and it's still like home to me. So yeah, it's really surreal. Like my friend and I were just literally like about to cry yesterday. Like she was crying like about, you know, the destruction and all that, but the show must go on. We must make our money. So we're heading into West Hollywood today. My face is so puffy from, I didn't sleep very well. I kept waking up and like kind of having anxiety. Slept like 6-ish hours, but like on and off. But anyways, we're up, we're at 'em. We've showered, we've put skincare on. And I'm gonna head out the door in 5 minutes and head to my job, working for Jockey, the like underwear, like active company. Never worked with them before, so that's exciting, new client. But yeah, let's go. I'm on set, but I'm waiting to get my hair and makeup done, so I'm just chilling. I got a coffee. I look so tired right now. It's from my flight and lack of sleep, but we're gonna look pretty real soon. Sunday to Mexico, and here we are. We had 1 day of shooting yesterday, and then I wrapped up all of my looks yesterday, so today's like my free day. I decided to stay an extra day because when are you gonna be able to just like have a free day of vacation and chill? Like, it's kind of like my own personal brand trip. I'm doing whatever I want. I went to the gym, I had a slow morning, I journaled, I went on Pinterest, I manifested a little bit. I just sat out here. Like, I'm gonna show you guys this view right now that I'm sitting next to. Sat in this little chair this morning. I just looked out at this view. It's so stunning. It's been like such nice weather, like high 70s, very like moderate heat, not super humid. Hair and makeup lasted all day yesterday, like barely had to touch it up. Just been really nice. So I'm gonna head to the beach in a little bit. I'm gonna do a little bit of like relaxing, tanning, and then I would really like to come back, film some content for you guys on my other platforms, and maybe do like a vacation makeup tutorial for you guys on here. I think that could be cool. Just like what I do when I want to look put together for like dinner after laying out all day, but I'm lazy. Like maybe you had a couple pina coladas on the beach and you don't really feel like doing all of that, but you still want to look cute and like take photos. I can kind of do that for you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready, head down to the beach. I think it's around noon. I've been up since like 7ish, 8. We've been getting like 10 hours of sleep every night. Last night we went to bed at like 11 and I woke up at 8, almost 8. And then the night before we went to sleep at 8 o'clock at night and woke up at 7 a.m. Insane, like really good. So yeah, that's been awesome. I think my body just really needed it. And then tomorrow my flight's not till 2:30, so we have plenty of time. But that's what we've been up to. I realized I really haven't chatted much with the vlog. I've kind of just been filming like montage clips, but I feel that a lot of times my vlogs are just really me chatting and they're kind of boring. So I'd rather like show you guys what I'm doing and put a cool like music up behind it or something, and then you guys can actually see and like come along with me. Let me know if you enjoy that, because I feel like it's really fun for me to film. I can kind of get creative and I don't always have to feel sometimes like it's awkward when you're with other people or whatever. I'm in a work setting and I don't have to whip out the camera and be like, hey guys, this is what I'm doing, and like no one wants to hear you talk half the time, you know? So that's what's up. Let me know if you guys let me know if you guys like this style of vlogging, and I can do more of it. A little bit of both, like a little bit of montagey, a little bit of me checking in and chatting with you guys. But yeah, it's been a hectic week, but I'm grateful. I'm so grateful and blessed. Just happy to be here. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my food so I can stop like eating like a fat pig in front of you guys and talking with my mouth open, or chewing with my mouth open, I mean. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the beach. Hey guys, I just got back from the beach, had such a relaxing day. I showered, washed my hair. I feel so nice right now. And I'm about to do my makeup because we're gonna go to dinner. The team is still shooting, but they should be back like in less than an hour. So I wanted to just like be by myself and do my makeup, let my hair like air dry. I've been rocking the natural hair since I got here, so it's been really nice. But we are going to record it for TikTok as well. I'm gonna be recording my phone as well at the same time. Like I literally have my little tripod set up here. So I just wanted to show you guys like kind of what I do for more of like a natural, like beachy, don't really feel like trying so hard glam. This is the L'Oreal like Uni Glotion or something like that. It's so nice. Like I don't feel like wearing foundation, but this is not foundation. It doesn't have a color. It's just a nice sheen. The lighting's really weird right now in my camera. It doesn't add any like color to your face. It just makes you look really glowy. I have a really nice honking pimple right in the middle right here. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spot conceal. Also, I can't stand the product. It's in my like face products. It's actually my biggest nightmare. I'm gonna take a little tart. Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Quiero pasarla. Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi, buscaba así. Desde que te vi. I like low-key already have a nose contour just from my sunburn, which is kind of crazy. But that's my favorite thing about having a tan face. I did put sunscreen on, but I guess it wasn't enough. I was out there for quite a while. But I like already have this like natural foundation and sunscreen. all cream products. I don't really feel like using it. Going in with the Chanel Soleil Tan. Okay, we're taking Charlotte Pink Gasm. Okay, now I'm taking the Laura Mercier highlighter.
Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba una así y por fin te
L'Oreal
conseguí.
little eyeshadow.
Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo me quiero pasarla. Mamacita,
I'm
vámonos
taking my
de
Kylie
fiesta.
palette and I'm gonna take the
Y ahora
brown
en mi
and black.
corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo que quiero pasarla.
Little mascara.
Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi,
Eyebrows.
buscaba una así. Desde que te vi.
And then here are my lip products. I'm using the Ulta Beauty in Spice and then the Lancome Juicy Tubes in Spring Fling. My absolute favorites. Let me get a better view for you guys with the lighting. That's the makeup. It's like the bronzer is a little bronzy right now, but has to last like all night, so I'm just letting it rock. But that's what we're looking like, and we're about to wait for everyone to get back and then head to dinner.
Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba una así